Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jane. Today we're going to make coconut turmeric rice. Hope you will enjoy it. Alright, to start us off, we're going to show you the ingredients. We have 1 kg of rice already washed and drained. Going to use I would say 1 cup of mixed vegetables, coconut milk 500 ml, ginger and garlic, and 1 large onion, turmeric powder, let's get to it. So you will need to put some oil in the pan. I must advise reduce the oil because coconut milk has oil, so I realized later on that I had too much oil. So yeah, you can reduce it to about 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, once the oil is hot, drop your onions. We're gonna cook them until they are dark brown. For me, I feel it makes a big difference, so mostly my onions I cook them till they're brown. Yeah, keep stirring and stirring, making sure it gets cooked evenly. It's a nice rice to have with salad, chicken, beef, anything really, and also on its own really. It's good. So the onions are coming up really good. Yep, browning. Gonna add the ginger and garlic paste, or grated ginger and garlic, or chopped ginger and garlic. About 4 cloves of ginger, and almost the same size 4 cloves of garlic and almost the same size in ginger, like a thumb size. I put the coconut milk in the measuring cup so I can know for sure how much water I will need, so that I don't overdo the water. So it's basically I'm measuring my liquids now. Gonna put the rice in and toast it, kind of like let it cook in the oil for a bit, but keep stirring but gently so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. I put in some salt. I would say like a teaspoon. I'll break in some vegetable stock in there, but as I always say on my videos, when it comes to spices, just use what you have or what you like, and keep trying and changing them, because that's how you figure out what works for what. Like that vegetable stock, I would have put it in the beginning. It's like an afterthought. I thought, maybe let me just try it, but I would have put it with the onions. Next, I added the frozen vegetables, I didn't soak them in water this time because I'm gonna boil it in the rice, so there's no need to soften them up. So put the mixed veg and stir, mix properly. Now add the coconut milk. Add the coconut milk and mix. It was already smelling good at this point. The coconut smell combined with the ginger and garlic smells really good. So now I'm going to add water. I always boil hot water in the kettle for rice. And then I'm gonna add turmeric powder. I put 2 cups of water and then plus the coconut one, that makes almost 3 cups of water. Always do a taste to see what needs to be added or changed. Yeah, I added more turmeric, but be careful with turmeric. Add peppers, black pepper. Yeah, I was saying be careful with turmeric. The more you put, it can be overwhelming sometimes, so I just mostly use it as a coloring agent more, but use it in moderation. So for this case, I would say that's like 1 teaspoon of turmeric, or 3/4 teaspoon, sorry, 3/4 tablespoon of turmeric. Yes, I'm gonna cover the rice. I covered the rice with a foil and let it cook. At reduced heat, and this was the result. Try steady to see if the rice is cooked. If not, just add like a few drops of hot water and then cover it again. I like the taste of coconut, so I added more. We have a creamed coconut, so I grated it on top, but my oven is switched off at the moment already. Yeah, so great. I start at this point with a fork, I don't know, because I don't want to break the rice or mash it up, so I start using a fork. I'll try it again. Tastes good. Okay, let's add a little bit more. I didn't need to, but I just like the final flavor. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's coconut rice with turmeric. Hope you enjoy. See you later, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.